You may have wondered what this panel is on a Renault Zoe underneath the driver's doormat. So in this case I'm cleaning this car and this panel was loose, which they often are, and that's simply because Renault dealers don't bother to put them back down properly. So as you can see, these two clips are in place, but these two clips have stayed down on the floor and need putting back into the lid there. So if I just turn these orange bits there, we can then take off the metal panel, and this is your master switch for the battery pack. You click that up, remove that, and that turns off the battery pack. It isolates the battery, so if Renault are doing any work on it, or indeed if the car is in an accident, this is the first place that your fire brigade will come to isolate the high voltage from the rest of the vehicle. So using the trim tool, I can remove the clip and then put that back on there, so this cover will now lay flat and won't move around. I don't know why. The Renault dealer, whoever was in this vehicle last, couldn't do that, but anyway, I do that a lot on Renault Zoes because they're frequently not put down properly.